Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today is going to be the drawing for the SheModern decals. Some of you saw the giveaway. It was in my snowflake manicure video, and some of you may not have. But I had quite a few entries, and I want to just show you some of the decals that SheModern sells. There's currently such a great sale. I believe it's 55% off through Valentine's Day. Look at these. Now they have the two tones. Look at that. I used to color these in. Now I don't even have to. And look at that. They look like monarch butterflies. So what you win is a $10 gift card. Winners, I will need your name and email address. Then I will be sending you a gift card when I have everybody's information. I will be issuing out the $10 gift cards. You can go on to SheModern.com. Purchase your foil sheet. If you have anything left, feel free to apply it to something else. But this giveaway is intended to be for one foil sheet. But now they just have the e-gift cards available, so you can purchase exactly what you want, apply it to the foil, and since they have that 55% off, you may be able to get 2 foil sheets. I'm not certain of the prices. They vary a lot. Before we begin, I had someone comment a couple times that she's having so much trouble getting them to stick. All I did was score this. It's scored ever so slightly. This is a highly curved nail. Press it down. This nail is top coated. The water makes friction, but there is times when there's a little bit. Even if you score it, there's a little bit sticking up or hanging over your free edge. Just take a brush dipped in alcohol and you can just melt the clear plastic portion of it away, and it will melt right into your nail. Now this is see, it just melts right in. I've had mine stick to my nails overnight. Once I got it stuck on really good. If you touch the alcohol to the foil, it will dissolve it. So just dissolve away excess. Then you top coat it in, it's all set. It's not sticking up anywhere on that nail. So that's how you do it. The person that had that question, let me get set up and do the drawing. For my entries for the US side of the SheModern, I'll be picking 7 winners out of this list. Scrolling down so that you can see. I even have my last minute entry, the very last day, 1 person entered. So thank you everyone for watching. And here we go, setting the wheel. Winner number 1. Congratulations. Move the name. Winner number 2, congratulations. Set the wheel. I am removing the name each time. Winner number 3, congratulations. Number 4. Winner number 4, congratulations. Winner number 5, congratulations. Winner number 6, congratulations. The last and final winner for the US side is... Congratulations, winner number 7. That's all the US winners. Now, I will go ahead and show you what I normally do after the video. I take these names and I pick out 3 alternates in case the prize is not claimed. Alternate 1. Alternate 2 is alternate 3. So if 3 US people do not claim, you are the 3 alternate winners. Okay, deleting all these names. I've already got it copied for the non-US side. This is my non-US entries. There's not that many names. I get to pick 3 winners from this side. That's just how my demographics work. And I will only pick 1 alternate winner. Congratulations, winner number 1. Winner number 2, who will it be? Congratulations, winner number 2. Winner number 3, who will it be? Winner number 3, congratulations. And if someone doesn't claim, I'll pick 1 alternate now. And you'll be the alternate for the non-US side. Congratulations. Okay everyone, that was the winners for the SheModern.com gift card. It's for a foil sheet, just like this one. You get to pick your style, your colors, whatever. It'll be a $10 gift card. Since there's a sale going on, you might be able to get 2. I don't know for sure, but just look at the prices and see. But the drawing is for 1 foil sheet. But I got this out to you early enough. That's why I made the drawing really short, so that you can go and purchase your foils while the sale's on. Maybe you can get 2. Maybe you can apply it to something else. They've got wonderful glitters and pigments. I know a lot of you have been wanting to try it. And you don't even have to wear polish. I've got just clear polish on, and I've got a water decal on. I mean, as long as your surface is smooth, you can use these in crafts as well. They're really fun. So thank you, SheModern, for hosting this giveaway. Thank everyone for watching. Thank you for playing along and not saying enter me on the giveaway. I was trying to make sure that everyone got a real good chance to win, and it wasn't any just giveaway accounts. But I'm rambling on. Thank you everyone for being here today. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye bye.